Introducing the NorTorque torque wrench. Efficient, affordable, professional quality. Designed, manufactured, assembled and calibrated in Bawtry, England. Quick and easy to accurately set with just 8 full turns to cover the entire scale. To adjust, simply pull out the adjustment knob and rotate utilizing the convenient hanger feature. A micrometer scale, which applies to the wrench's primary torque units, allows for a more accurate setting of the wrench. After adjustment, push the adjusting knob back to lock. Simple to use, with a clear, audible and tactile indication that set torque has been reached.